How to download backup using cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Now go to Backup Wizard in File section and click on it. Below the Backup or Restore heading, click on the Backup button. Now you have two options. You can take full backup or you can take partial backup. To take backup of your home directory, only click on Home Directory. Click on Home Directory. The download of backup starts. Click to open the downloaded file. Now you can see the downloaded backup data on your system. Similarly, from the Backup Wizard page, you can download a backup of MySQL databases, email forwarders and filters in a full database. Thank you for watching.